guys, it's Zoe, and today we are opening JigglyDoos! JigglyDoos are the new squishies that are sweeping the nation. They are adorable, and this is series 1. We have 5 of these, and there are 30 to collect. So today, we are gonna open 10, because these are 2-packs. We got these at Walmart in the toy section, and they're $3.94 each. So this is the narwhal that we got. He's super soft, super squishy, and of course, super jiggly. This is the other one we got with the narwhal. This one is a lot squishier, but they're still very cute. It kind of feels as if you squish very, very soft rubber. So this is the pig. I love his cute little curly tail. Next, a little bunny. I love how part of her ear flops down onto the rest of her ear. Next is this cute little kitten. She has a really cute pose, like with both pairs of feet sticking out. Next is this cute little unicorn. I love her little teeny tiny tail. Next up is this other kitten. He's lying on his stomach. What I really love about him is his cute little smirk. Next is the other unicorn, the purple and blue. And I love the colors. Next up is the puppy. I love his cute little tail.
Stretchy.
Oh, and these ones are pretty stretchy. Next is the narwhal. I love the colors. So adorable! Next is this bear. I personally love his cute little tiny tail right here, as you might be able to see. And then last but not least, this cute little seal. I love his cute arms being like, ooh. My favorite out of all of them is this unicorn. I love the colors and I love unicorns. They are super squishy. And then they can bounce. And so, whoa. But these ones don't stretch as much as the ones that are lying down do. So, look how squishy they are. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe for more cute and cool toy videos. Like if you love these new JigglyDoos. And comment and say your favorite animal. Bye!